What is biology?
What is biology? The word bio means living and logy means study. So, biology means the study of living things. Sample part, anything which interact with its environment, use energy and reproduce are known as living things. For example, where humans eat food to get energy, feel and respond to our environment, and reproduce to make more of ourselves. Many other living things like insects, birds, and animals have the same property like us. So, there are all living organisms. Now, the question arises, how many types of living things are there? And how are they different from us? Biology is a field which answers this question and many more questions related to living things.
Characteristics of life.
When viewed from the point of view of biology, living things or organisms are all individuals who have life characteristics. The characteristics of the life of a creature include breathing, moving, sensitive to stimulation. In addition, living things must also grow and develop, reproduce, need food, able to adapt to the environment and excretion. There are 10 characteristics of living things. Organization. All things are made of chemicals, but in living things the chemicals are packaged into highly organized structures. Reproduction. Reproduction is the ability to produce other individuals of the same species. It may be asexual or asexual. Reproduction involves the replication of DNA. Growth and development. All organisms must grow and develop to reach the size and level of complexity required to complete their life cycles. Feeding. Living things are continually transforming one form of energy into another to stay alive. Although energy is not destroyed during this transformation, heat is always formed. Repetition. Living things need energy to stay alive and to do work. Although food contains energy, it is not inherently a self form. It has to be broken down. Excretion. The energy transformation that takes place in our organisms involves semi-rectition. Semi-rectition that occur in organisms are called metabolic rectition. Responsiveness. Living things are sensitive to certain changes in their environments and respond in ways that tend to improve their sense of survival. Movement. Response usually involves some form of movement. Movement of whole organisms from one place to another is called locomotion. Plants and other organisms that are present in one place do not display locomotion, but they can move part of their bodies. Homeostasis. Living things are, to some extent, able to control their internal condition so that their cells have a constant chemical and physical environment in which they can function effectively. Evolution. Living things are able to change into new forms of life. This evolution actually takes place gradually over succeeding generations in response to change in the environment.
What do biologists do?
So what do biologists do? Usually science split into three main subjects: biology, chemistry, and physics.
biology extends day of all living things, like my phonogenation, slow flowers, anaerobes, fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. And Taiwa Wafice Nautens in Finnish, Level Pegaten Voice, mentioned in Nation Facts Exceldo Biology and show. But what I today makes something living. Well, biologists have defined needs which they exclude now in sweating meets days criteria. Being, you have living being.